Did you know your brain changes every single day? Every thought, every habit, every behavior, everything you do literally reshapes your brain. Scientists call this neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed. It is like a muscle. You can strengthen it, you can weaken it, and the choice is yours. Today I will give you 5 habits, each one backed by science, to start strengthening your brain right now. Habit 1. Deep sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your brain's cleaning system. During deep sleep, something called the glymphatic system activates in your brain. This system literally washes your brain of toxins and harmful proteins that accumulate throughout the day. Without enough sleep, these toxins build up and your brain cells begin to die slowly. How many hours do you need? 7 to 9 hours every single night. This is the one habit that if you do not do it, all the other habits will not help you. Habit 2. Aerobic exercise. When you run, when you swim, when you walk fast, your brain releases a protein called BDNF. Scientists call this protein the miracle grow for the brain. It helps grow new neurons and strengthens the connections between them. Think of it as fertilizer for the garden of your brain. A study from Harvard University found that aerobic exercise increases the size of the hippocampus. This is the area responsible for memory and learning. Just 20 minutes, 3 times a week. That is all you need. Habit 3. Learn a difficult new skill. Your brain loves challenge, but it hates ease. When you learn something difficult, a new language, a musical instrument, chess, your brain is forced to build new neural connections. It is like building new roads in the city of your brain. The more roads you have, the faster and smarter your brain becomes. A study published in Psychological Science found that older adults who learned a difficult skill like digital photography or quilting showed significant memory improvement compared to those who did easy activities like watching TV or listening to music. The key is to pick something hard, something you will be bad at in the beginning. That very challenge is what builds your brain. Habit 4. Meditation. Imagine your mind is like a glass of muddy water. Every thought is a grain of sand. When you keep stirring, the water stays cloudy. Meditation is stopping the stirring. You set the glass down, you watch the sand settle, and the water becomes clear. A study from Harvard found that just 8 weeks of regular meditation changed the structure of the brain. It increased gray matter in areas of attention and emotional control, and it shrank the amygdala, the area of fear and anxiety. Just 10 minutes a day. Sit, breathe, watch your thoughts without judging them. Habit 5. Intermittent fasting. The last habit may surprise you, but science confirms it. When you fast, your brain enters a state of autophagy. This means your brain cells start cleaning themselves from the inside. They eat the damaged parts and recycle them. This process is called autophagy. It is a deep cleaning of your brain cells. It cannot be accessed except through fasting. Studies from the National Institute on Aging found that intermittent fasting improves memory, reduces inflammation, and protects the brain from diseases of aging. You do not need a long fast. Just 12 hours between dinner and breakfast. That is all your brain needs to start the cleaning process. So these are 5 scientific habits to strengthen your brain: deep sleep, aerobic exercise, learning a difficult skill, meditation, and intermittent fasting. Do not try to apply them all at once. Pick one. Start it today. And when it becomes a habit, add the second. Your brain is the most valuable thing you own. Invest in it now, before it is too late. Subscribe to the channel. Your turning point starts today.